This is an automated toy bug. And these are my cats, Misha and Zoey. In this video, my cats Misha and Zoey are gonna test the toy and see its usefulness. A common issue with indoor pets is that without enough stimulation, they can easily get frustrated or bored, or even develop behavioral issues. The key is to get toys that appeal to their natural hunting instincts, like interactive ones that move unpredictably or make noise, as cats love the thrill of chasing and pouncing. Ragdoll cats are usually considered laid back, while Siberian cats are supposed to be more playful. But we found that it was Zoey who was more inquisitive about new bug buddy, while Misha preferred to observe from distance. Misha choosing her vantage point to observe. Misha like a true predator stalking her prey from height. Slowly, Misha starts getting near to the toy.
Two hours later.
And finally gathers courage to touch. Overall, the toy did a good job to keep our kitties engaged on their own, and given the price, it's a good buy. But let's see how long our kittens get bored of it.